our team Seabell, and we came here because we were inspired by the idea of saving animals that are becoming extinct with technology. This is the drone we designed, and it's got many different cameras like a thermal camera, ultra-red camera and night vision camera. So we would like to donate 50% of it to the Maldivian sea turtle conservation program, and the rest of it we will use towards our school for STEM facilities and to encourage other children to work more towards STEM.
So the competition is to generate global interest in children in STEM, science, technology, engineering, mathematics. It's essential for them as individuals, it's good for their careers, it's good for business, industry, but it's also good for this planet. It's through science and technology that we will look to solving many of the problems we now face, and that's what this competition is about. The competition has drawn interest from around the world, huge interest. We've had over 1,000 schools register their interest and we want to be part of it. We've had 45 schools come to the final from 13 countries, and we've got 30 international teams here today at the RAF Centre here.
Our drone is used to protect the Trichopterus xanthippus, which is also known as the fly squirrel. It has 3 cameras. During the day, we use the telephoto camera and the super wide angle camera to find the cave of the Trichopterus xanthippus.
So the issue in Bosnia and Herzegovina is that we have more than 80,000 mines still in the area because of the Yugoslav war that happened there a few years ago. It's very dangerous to go into the mountains and to observe these different animals like vultures, because it's the mountains is very rocky and hard to live there. And the mines also make it very dangerous. So what we designed is we designed a wireless charging system where you just put it on the charging spot and then you can see the light going on. It's charging by itself. So this is all it needs to do. It just lands on the pad, it charges itself, and it's ready to go again.
One team have actually built their own drone from scratch.
This is a prototype because BIEA, they only allow us to use 100 pounds in our budget. So we don't get to use the advanced sensors and motors. And this prototype took us a lot of time to make, nearly 80-hour assembly and 267 hours of 3D printing. So this project, our goal is to save African penguin from extinction. And the first step we have to do is to count how many penguins there are left. The drone will fly around a colony of penguins, and then by flying around it, it captures around 4,000 photos and assemble it into a 3D model. And with a 3D model, you can tell which part has penguin or like it has a bump on the terrain. And then after that, we can use AI algorithm to count it.